Hey everyone, you build a great course, but right now it only speaks one language, and most of the people who'd love to take it, they speak a different one. Until now, translating it meant rebuilding the whole thing by hand, page by page, not anymore. Today I'll show you how to translate an entire course, or multiple courses into a new language, in just a couple of clicks. Let's jump in. So here's the collection I want to translate. I clicking the three dots and click translate. Here, there are more than 30 languages you can choose to translate, from Spanish and Portuguese to Arabic and Chinese and more. Also, if your desired language is not on the list, we are adding regularly, so just let us know. I choose Spanish and continue. Here, it shows me which collection will translate, which language, and how many credits it will take. So I'll select Start Translation. I'm waiting for the translation to start. So translation is start. I can go to another course, work on that, or change the tab. It will work on the background, and after you come to the tab again, the translation will be done. After a few minutes, my collection is here. Same design, same images, and same elements. Also, I can edit and add new blocks. I can add new pages. Just like the collection I built by hand. And just like that, one collection became two, ready for a whole new audience. This is the fastest way I know to take your courses global without redoing any of the work. Give it a try on one of your own collections, and if you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks for watching.